Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will discuss about Majun Amreen Mushki. What is Majun Amreen Mushki? What are the effects of Majun Amreen Mushki? What are the side effects of Majun Amreen Mushki? And what are the main ingredients of Majun Amreen Mushki? So let's start. Listen full attention and carefully. Majun Amreen Mushki is a natural product which is used in all over the world for ED treatment including Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Dubai and Africa. What is ED? ED is a stand for erectile dysfunctions. Erectile dysfunction is the ability of man in which there is no erection. So, if you are entangled in ED, you can use this natural product and get rid ED, erectile dysfunctions, and get an effective sexual system. What is effective sexual system? Effective sexual system consists of four things: tightness, timing, erection, and physical health of organ or penis. So, if you are entangled in these four problems, you can use this product and get rid any sexual problem. Sugar patients, uric acid patients also can use this natural product because we can use honey in place of sugar. Very little quantity for sugar patients. It is also favorable and effective physical health, mental health, and many other problems are solved by Majun Amreen Mushki. So, you can use this natural product for all sexual problem and get rid ED. Now we discuss about main ingredients of Majun Amreen Mushki. What are the main ingredients of Majun Amreen Mushki? Majun Amreen Mushki consists saffron, amber mush, kasturi and silver foil. These are the main ingredients of Majun Amreen Mushki. So everyone can use this Majun for ED treatment and get an effective sexual system. Now we discuss about price of Majun Amreen Mushki. 200 gram Majun is 15,000. You can get in all over the world including Pakistan, but we provide free parcel in Pakistan and charge 8,000 except Pakistan for all over the world. So if you are entangled in ED or any sexual problem, or you are sure patients, or you are old, you can use this natural product and get rid ED and get an effective sexual system. Wassalam.